How to add friends on Discord. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add friends on Discord, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What you need to do first is to go into your Discord application on your computer, and then when you're on your Discord application, then you need to click right here where it says home. Then you will be taken to this page right here as you can see. In here, what you need to do is to click where it says add friend. Then you will be taken to this page as you can see. In here, you can add a friend with their Discord tag as you can see, which basically means your friend's username. So I'm just going to write something random to demonstrate. So basically, you will need to write your friend's username in here and just double check so it's correct. And then when you are sure that the username is correct, then you need to click where it says send friend request. And then your friend will be able to basically add you as a friend because they will get the friend request. So this is exactly how to add a friend on Discord on your computer. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.